Alright guys, I'm trying to step up this GoPro game up. I got the max media lens now, so max lens mod. Supposed to look a lot better, a lot smoother, clearer. We're supposed to have no issues with that thing, so we are dropping 2.7K 60 frames per second, which is super good quality still. But we shouldn't be getting that shake anymore now that we got the new software update and we got the lens mod on. So one thing I will need to do now that I'm rocking with this, I'm gonna need to change the other ones back to 2.7K 60 frames per second because I have them set right now at 5.3K. But anyway guys, let's go step outside, take a look, see if it's looking good. But I mean, honestly, from the looks of it, it looks pretty amazing actually. I'm excited. Check it out. Look at her, just getting cleaned up. How's it look, guys? You like that mod? Does that lens look way better? The quality looking pretty good. 2.7K. She's gleaming on us. Yes, sir. I had a band-aid right there. Had a little boo-boo. Some scratches, guys. We take her up in the forest, we take her everywhere. So I've taken her places I probably shouldn't be in, to be quite honest, but here we are. All those scratches, ouch. Oh well, it is what it is. Miramar. Thor. That's how we rolling. That's how we rolling out here. 35.4 feet. How's that quality, guys?